guys, welcome back to my channel, Kandiperlerfairy. So today I just went to the Sanrio and oh my god, it's such a long line, but I waited about like 30 minutes and I finally got in, and I got this new sweater with the Hello Kitty and it's purple, and then on the side it says, I don't know if you can see it, but it says Los Angeles. So I love it, even though it's getting warm, but I know like in the morning or in the afternoon, no, at nighttime it's always cold. So like this is for all season. All right, so today haven't seen you guys for like a couple weeks unless you're following me on Instagram. I've been making like, you know, those giant 3D perlers, and I really love like trying to figure out the patterns, but it's really fun. So I'm gonna show you what I made recently. So if you're also following me on Instagram, I think you have seen them before, but if you're only following me on YouTube, I don't want you to miss out what I've made recently. So this is the Sailor Moon that I made, and I'm so in love with her because she is so cute and so beautiful. I made the super big bow on the back, and then I love her like, you know, outfit is so bright and so cute. So currently I'm working on the tutorial, but because it's so many pieces, it takes a lot of time to create another one. So I'm still working on it. Stay tuned on this one because it's one you don't want to miss, right? So the other one that I just made, I posted a video like a couple days ago. So it's just this one is the unicorn Tokidoki. Oh my god, she's so super cute with the heart right here. And then I save a little spot for like a character. So this time I put like my melody on it. So it's super cute. This one takes a lot of time and pieces too, so I'm thinking if I would do a tutorial. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell, so you will get notification when I have new tutorial, new video about my 3D perlers that is uploaded, and you don't miss out anything. And if you enjoy my video, make sure you hit the like button and also share with your friends. If you have any suggestions, let me know by commenting below, so I will see them. So last but not least is gonna be Gudetama. This is gonna be our tutorial today. Isn't he cute? He's just so relaxed. Like I just want to be like him. He has his headphone on and then just laying on his head and just closing his eyes, like so relaxing, right? So I even bought like the plate from Daiso, has all his face and his like style on it. So we can put it here and then like give him some like beads. Like he's gonna take a bath or something. So super cute. I found the pattern on Pinterest, where most of my patterns are found there. And then I really like this design. It's like super cute. But when I was building, I had some frustration because it's some of them, like I think they require glues to stick them together, and especially the egg part, it was like keep falling apart. So I kind of fix it like so that now they're clicked together, and also like, you know, you don't need to use glue. But it might be a little bit challenging, so I will try to number the pieces because they look about the same. They're all like chowder color. So if you want to build this, make sure you get the chowder color or orange, because he's not yellow, he's chowder color. And I enjoyed him. All right, so let's get into this.
If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos.
Alright, so let's get started building with the base. This is gonna be the base piece right here, and then this is gonna go to the top of this. So let's connect these two with the connectors, just like so. Yep. Alright, so this piece is gonna go to the top, just like this way. Okay, so let's connect the sides. Alright, so let's go to the front. This piece will be for the front connector. Yep. Just like so. And then let's complete the back using this one. right, so we got 2 more sides to complete. So one on each side right here. Let's see. Okay. Yep. The other side, just like so. It's okay. If you hold it too tight, you can loosen it up. All right, so this way. All right, so, and then we're gonna place this one onto the top. This one facing the top, just like so. All right, so we just got the base done. All right, so let's get started. So this is gonna be the bottom part, and then this is gonna be the top part. So let's build these pieces first. The reason that I do it this way so that you know, we don't get overwhelmed with all the pieces to build at once. It's easier to get tired. So let's connect these 2 pieces together. All right. So this is part of the body. Let's add a base piece just right here. Yep. All right. So you see this one little one sticking out? We're gonna add this one to the back. Just like so. All right, that looks good. So we're gonna connect this piece onto the top. Okay, so you can see we need a connector, right? So the connector would be this one. So let's connect the top part into this hole right here. Sometimes I can't even find a way. Okay, perfect. So this one is gonna add onto the top. Just like so. All right, so now they're connected. So we're gonna add this one to the top. Yep, looking good. We don't see Gudetama yet. All right, so let's lift this piece right here, and then we're gonna connect these pieces. These one will go to the top as well. So you're gonna connect it this way, right here, and then here. All right, so let's add on. All right, so now we got 4 more pieces to add to the back. All right, so this one is gonna be here. So let's turn to the back on this way, and then insert this one like this. All right, this is still gonna be the first piece to the back, and let's add the second piece to the back. Take it slowly. Yep. All right, now we can add this piece right here. Let's see. So we already connected these 2. Yay, that looks good. All right, let's finish with the back. This is gonna be the last piece right here. All right. All right, so right here we have the bottom. So this long one that is sticking out, we're gonna add it just like so. Yay. All right, let's move on to the side and the front. Alright, so now we add 4 more pieces to the front. So this one is gonna be right here, as you can see, fit perfectly. And then we're gonna add the connector for these 3 pieces. So let's connect these 2 first, just like so, and then add it to the front. Yep. Alright, so we kind of see him now. Alright, let's add the pieces to the sides. Alright, so let's finish the side pieces. So let's turn onto the side and let's add this piece first. You can see the pattern, right? It's just perfect. Okay, so they're the same piece on both sides. So this is gonna be the first piece, and then this is gonna be the second, and then we're gonna close this one right here. And let's work on the other side, right? Just like so. First one, and then this is gonna be the second one. Looking good. Last piece going this way. All right, let's add the legs, one on each side. Just insert it. Yay! oops, see, the back piece is very easy to fall out. So maybe use a glue to glue on it. So now we're just missing the half phone. Let's add on. Alright, you can see we're almost done here. So here's the half phone part. So be creative. You can change it to other color or like make it other style. But this way, so we can insert on one to the hole on one side and then add on to the other side. So right here, and then adding the bottom part right here. Yep, looking good. And then last one right here. Perfect. Okay, now let's add on to the egg part. Bring this back. All right, so this one is a little tricky because you can see the layer. It actually can let it to sit on it, but we have to take this apart first. Okay, so this one we're gonna add it to the back. Let me move this one first because that one's always falling apart. Okay, so it should fit perfect, but you just have to kind of pull it a little bit bigger so you can fit the pieces in, just like so. And then this one would be the second one. I think it goes this way. Let me see. Yeah, it should be this way. Okay. So this way we can keep him stable until the egg. Alright, let's add this piece. I know sometimes they're falling apart, so feel free to add the glue if you're not gonna take it apart again. Alright, so we got this, so let's place it back to the base carefully. That back piece. Always falling out. We got this done. Let's place him on here. And then add some more yellow beads for him. Yay! Super cute, so he can relax.
Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you.